Imagine waking up in a world where you are the prime minister of your country. Or in a universe where dinosaurs never went extinct. Sounds fascinating, right? Now let's delve a bit deeper into this idea. What if I told you that these aren't just figments of our imagination, but could potentially be alternate realities, existing simultaneously in a vast cosmic panorama? Welcome to the concept of the multiverse. This isn't some sci-fi movie plot, but a serious proposition by some of the brightest minds in physics. The multiverse concept suggests that our universe, the one we live in, might just be one amongst an infinite number of universes. In these alternate realities, every possible event, outcome, and scenario you could ever conceive of could be playing out right now. So the big question is, but is it all a figment of our imagination, or could such universes actually exist? That's what we're here to explore. In the realm of cosmology, the concept of multiverse suggests the existence of countless universes, including the one we inhabit. Now let's delve into this concept a bit further. Imagine a cosmic Russian doll. Our universe is but one doll in an infinite series, each one unique, yet part of the same grand cosmic design. The multiverse concept is pretty much akin to this. It's the idea that our universe, with its billions of galaxies and trillions of stars, may not be the only universe out there. Now, this isn't just about space. It's about time too. These other universes could be operating on entirely different timelines, with their own unique histories and futures. They could be home to entirely different laws of physics, different dimensions, different forms of matter, and perhaps even different forms of life. Consider a deck of cards. Every time you shuffle that deck, you're creating a new arrangement, a new universe in a sense. Now, imagine there are countless decks being shuffled simultaneously. That's the multiverse, an infinite ensemble of universes where every possible arrangement of matter and energy exists somewhere. Some of these universes could be similar to ours, with minor variations. Maybe there's a universe where you chose a different breakfast this morning, or where dinosaurs never went extinct. Then there are universes that could be vastly different, ones where the concept of breakfast or dinosaurs doesn't even exist. This idea might seem mind-boggling, and it is, but it's also liberating. It allows us to explore possibilities beyond our wildest dreams and encourages us to question our understanding of reality. It pushes the boundaries of our imagination, providing a playground for scientists, philosophers, and dreamers alike. This theory might sound like a sci-fi movie plot, but it's a serious subject of study in the world of physics. So, buckle up as we journey further into the fascinating realm of the multiverse. Scientists have theorized different types of multiverses. This isn't just a single idea, but a spectrum of possibilities, each more mind-bending than the last. The multiverse isn't a monolith, but rather a collection of varied theories and interpretations. Let's dive into these theories and explore the 4 levels of multiverses. Firstly, we have level 1, regions beyond our cosmic horizon. This isn't as much a different universe as it is an extension of our own. Space is so vast that light from distant regions hasn't had time to reach us, so we can't see them. In theory, these regions could contain exact copies of our own universe simply because there are only so many ways particles can be arranged in space. Moving on to level 2, other post-inflation bubbles. This theory arises from the concept of eternal inflation. It suggests that different regions of space stopped inflating at different times, leading to bubble universes. Each of these bubbles could have different laws of physics, making them drastically different from our universe. Next, we have level 3, the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics. This theory is the stuff of science fiction, suggesting that every possibility is a reality in some universe. Every time a quantum event happens, the universe splits into different worlds. So, in another universe, you could be a rock star, a world leader, or even a dinosaur herder. Lastly, we reach level 4, other mathematical structures. This is the most abstract level. It proposes that any imaginable mathematical structure could exist as a separate universe. This means there could be universes that are completely alien to us, with entirely different mathematical and physical laws. Each type of multiverse presents a different understanding of the cosmos and our place in it. They challenge our perceptions and invite us to think beyond our own reality. So, next time you gaze at the night sky, remember, our universe might just be a tiny corner of a much larger multiverse. The multiverse theory is fascinating, but is there any evidence to support it? Well, science doesn't operate purely on speculation, it seeks evidence. While direct evidence of other universes might be tough to come by, there are some scientific theories that suggest the possibility of a multiverse. First, let's talk about inflationary cosmology. This is the idea that the universe underwent a period of rapid expansion, like a balloon being blown up, immediately after the Big Bang. Some cosmologists propose that this inflation didn't happen uniformly, but created bubbles of space-time. Each of these bubbles could be a separate universe, part of a vast multiverse. This process theoretically could go on forever, creating an infinite number of these bubble universes. But how about something a bit more stringy? Enter the string theory landscape. String theory, a theoretical framework in which the point-like particles of particle physics are replaced by one-dimensional objects called strings, suggests there could be many more dimensions to our universe than the three of space and one of time that we can perceive. In this scenario, different universes may exist in different dimensions with different laws of physics. This is known as the landscape of string theory, and it's another way we might find ourselves living in a multiverse. Now, it's important to note that these theories are still being tested and refined. They're based on our best understanding of the universe and the laws of physics as we know them. But there's still a lot we don't know. This is what makes the quest for knowledge so exciting. The multiverse theory is a perfect example of how our understanding of the universe is constantly evolving. Today's wild speculation could be tomorrow's accepted scientific fact. While we don't have a definite proof yet, these theories suggest that our universe may not be the only one. In the grand scheme of things, we may just be a small part of an infinitely larger, more complex reality. And isn't that a thrilling thought? So stay curious, stay open, and remember, in the pursuit of knowledge, the journey is just as important as the destination. The idea of a multiverse has profound implications, not just for science, but for our understanding of reality itself. Let's delve into this fascinating topic. Imagine a cosmic Russian doll. Inside each doll or universe are countless other dolls, each containing its own unique reality. This is the picture that the multiverse theory paints for us. It's a picture that forces us to view our existence, our reality, and our place in the cosmos from a whole new perspective. What does it mean for us as humans if there are other universes out there, each with its own set of physical laws? It could mean that our existence isn't as unique as we once believed. It could mean that life, as we know it, might not be a rare occurrence in the grand scheme of things. It could mean that there are versions of us living out completely different lives in parallel universes. But it's not just about the possibility of multiple us. The concept of the multiverse also grapples with philosophical questions about the nature of reality. If there are an infinite number of realities, each with its own unique set of circumstances and rules, what does that say about our understanding of existence? Could there be realities where the impossible becomes possible, where the laws of physics as we know them do not apply? This kind of speculation can be both thrilling and daunting. It pushes us to question our most fundamental beliefs about the nature of existence. It challenges us to rethink what we consider to be real and forces us to reevaluate our place in the grand cosmic order. The multiverse theory also raises profound questions about the concept of fate and free will. If there are an infinite number of universes, each with a different version of us, does that mean our choices really matter? Or are we simply playing out a script that's already been written in another universe? The multiverse theory challenges our understanding of reality and opens up a universe, or rather, a multiverse of possibilities. As we continue to explore this fascinating concept, we may find that our understanding of reality is only just beginning to unfold. The concept of a multiverse is undoubtedly a fascinating one. We've journeyed through the intriguing realm of multiverse theory, delving into its concept, its types, and the evidence supporting it. We've seen how this idea, once merely a figment of scientific imagination, has grown into a theory with a solid foundation. Remember how we explored the various types of multiverses? From parallel universes to bubble universes, each type presents a unique perspective on the infinite cosmos. And let's not forget the compelling evidence that lends credibility to this theory. Cosmic inflation, quantum mechanics, and even the mysterious dark energy all hint at the possibility of a multiverse. The implications of the multiverse theory are profound, challenging our understanding of reality and our place in the cosmos. It questions our uniqueness and introduces a cosmos teeming with possibilities. Whether we'll ever be able to prove its existence or not, the multiverse theory surely opens up new horizons of thought and understanding. After all, who knows, there might be another you out there pondering the same question in a parallel universe.